Yo, I'm back. I made a new beat on FL Studio, the same as the previous one. So it's again a Balkan Oriental type of beat. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna show all the patterns one by one. So we'll start with the first one right here. It's just the chords from the keyscape. Alright, this is the second part. I just put some random type of shit in there. Yeah, maybe I didn't need those and maybe others, but I just always like to experiment with the music. Alright, let's go here. I hear that noise at the end. Just some random stuff right there. And this is the bass. I love bass. And some effects. Some shakers, some tarabuka again. So here is everything again. And I have almost nothing on the mixer, just a little bit of panning and leveling. Okay, that's it guys, thanks for watching, please subscribe and give this video a like.